Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best featherboards that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Kreg Truflex Featherboard for miter slot and T-slot. This pair of featherboards work on almost all kinds of table saws, including router table, band saw, and so on, as long as the slot measures 3/8 by 3/4. This is why this one is the most favorite among professional carpenters. You will get a pair of Truflex featherboards that you can attach to the miter slot or to the T-slot. I prefer both because that is how you can actually assure an accurate and precise cut on wooden workpieces, right? The fingers on these Kreg featherboards apply perfect and consistent pressure on your workpiece, just the way you want. Because of its wedge lock mechanism, you can practically set these boards to almost any table. This is why these are better preferred over other featherboards for large-size table saws. It is so easy to install and use that even beginners don't need any instruction to get started with this. However, this simple and inexpensive attachment will make your woodworking more enjoyable and less stressful. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milescraft 1406 Featherboard for table saw. To be honest, this design is hard to adjust to often. So, I only recommend this if you have to cut boards in an exact size all the time. Cabinetry and veneer or crown making shops can make fair use of this featherboard. Though it is hard to adjust, it produces a firm hold to eliminate kickback once you install it. Moreover, it comes with T-bolts so that you can set this to a T-slot as well. It comes with a preload tension design to ensure effective support. Overall, this featherboard is the right choice for woodworking at a low price where the board is not required to adjust a lot. The miter bars included with this model are somewhat fragile and wobbles if adjusted too often. At number 3, we have the premium Hedgehog-Universal Spiral Featherboard. This patented design is created considering the beginner woodworkers. It will save you from purchasing different feathers for various workpieces because they are placed in a spiral shape. Moreover, you can easily adjust this featherboard just by loosening and tightening a simple knob. It not only makes using this too easy but also saves downtime. But the problem is, this featherboard cannot be attached too tightly to the miter slot. The problem is, the fingers are not as flexible as other conventional featherboards. Only 2 or 3 fingers will touch the workpiece, but your wooden board will be stuck and won't move forward if it is placed too tightly. So, you have to place it carefully so that it supports the wooden board just a minimum without gripping it. For these problems, I don't recommend it to professional woodworkers. Adjusting this wobbly featherboard will piss them off. At number 2, we have the Magswitch Reversible Featherboard. Not all table saws have a cast iron table, most are stainless steel and aluminum to make the surface rust-proof. However, if you do have a cast iron table on your table saw, then you are one of those lucky people who can make use of this magnetic featherboard. It grips perfectly on thick cast iron tables, and for the magnets, it does not even slide. I especially like its low-profile design. It does not interrupt on work like most other unnecessarily bulky featherboards. The price is the main reason for its less popularity. Needless to mention, being magnetic is also another point for not being widely used. But whoever used this once on their table saw recommends purchasing several for its incredible usability. Its reversible design makes it easier to use and versatile. And finally, at number 1, we have the DRILLPRO Double Feather Lockboards for table saws woodworking. Look at the design of this model. It is designed asymmetrically to make the in-feet of wooden boards more supported. To get full support, one should purchase 2 of these packs. Then you will get 4 featherboards to support your boards. You must be thinking, why do you need so many boards in one table saw? Well, just try placing the featherboards before and after the saw blade on the miter slot and fence. The perfection and smoothness of cuts you will start getting from the same old table saw are worth it, trust me. Any problem regarding gripping on the miter slot is improbable with these boards. The knobs are of outstanding quality and make a stronghold wherever you set them. These boards are perfect for working with thin and long boards. You know how difficult it is to keep thin boards aligned, right? Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.